Zimmerman Industries volumetric mixers utilize a bottom drive for the mixing auger. This allows for the most efficient transfer of power from the auger motor. Since this drive is below the mixing area, the connection between the auger motor and the mix auger must be sealed to keep all materials in the mixing chamber. The Slinger Disc and Slinger Disc seals accomplish this. It is recommended that when the Slinger Disc and seals are replaced, that the auger square drive be inspected for any wear. Information on this component can be found in the owner's manual. The Slinger Disc seals are one of the daily maintenance items and should be greased every 8 hours to maximize their life. These seals are normally replaced between 3,000 and 4,000 cubic yards. To change the Slinger Disc and seals, first remove the 2 bolts and hold the auger motor mount to the frame. Next, remove the auger motor from the Slinger Disc. Remove the Slinger Disc from the auger frame. The Slinger Disc may remain attached to the auger motor when removing. If so, it will need to be detached from the motor. Care will need to be taken to not damage the auger motor's shaft or seals. Remove the 4 nuts that hold the seal plate to the auger frame and remove the seal plate. Remove and discard the 3 rubber seals from the housing and clean this area. Place the 3 new seals into the housing with the notch seal placed in second and the notch aligned with the grease zerk in the housing. Ensure that each seal is greased. Replace the seal plate onto the mounting studs and finger tighten the nuts. Ensure that the hardened key is installed onto the motor shaft and coat the shaft with anti-seize. Attach the Slinger Disc to the motor, ensuring that the hardened key is in place. Insert the Slinger Disc and motor into the auger frame through the seals. Install the 2 mounting bolts that attach the auger motor mount to the frame, placing the lock washers in between the auger mount and the frame. Tighten the mounting bolts only until the lock washers become slightly compressed. Do not compress the lock washers, as this plate needs to oscillate during operation. If this is not done, premature wear and damage to the mechanism may occur. Tighten the 4 nuts, securing the plate until the studs just protrude through the nuts. Coat the square drive of the Slinger Disc with anti-seize. Slide the mix auger onto the Slinger Disc square drive and ensure that it is fully seated. The auger should be 1/8 of an inch to 3/16 of an inch from the internal wear plate. Once the installation is complete, apply grease through the zerk fitting in the housing. As noted earlier, this fitting must be greased daily, every 4 hours if running continually. For additional information, contact us through our website or phone number.